Hi, I'm Yuka. I'd like to talk about my career vision for GLTP Global Leadership Training Program. My career themes are local, global, and art, and I plan my life with these three keywords. Local is important because I was born and raised in Mie Prefecture in Japan, and because I love Japanese culture. Global is because I've been interested in different cultures since I was a child, and I've been able to improve myself by participating in international exchanges and going abroad, which is exactly my dream. Art attracts my heart and enriches my life for me. First, talking about my past and present. I chose a local job as my first career after graduating from my university. Since I was looking for a job during the COVID-19 pandemic, I chose to work in Mie Prefecture rather than going to big cities like Tokyo or overseas. I worked in local development, such as local tourism projects, community creation, illustrations, and design. With almost no overseas connections, I was able to focus on the local activities. In addition, I also deepened my knowledge of Japanese culture such as shrines and kimonos. The term expired after 3 years. Then I decided to keep living here, and I am currently working as a self-employed. I have now gradually expanded the field of my activities from local to global. At work, I continue to work for the local, such as tourism guide, while also taking on online work for overseas branches. In my private life, I have regained my lost connections with overseas countries. For example, I participated in 40th SIAP, the SIP for Southeast Asian and Japanese Youth Program by Cabinet Office. I am working with an awareness of my enrollment as a connector between the local and global. And in the next 5 years, I would like to increase my global activities even more. My specific plans are to move my residence from Mie Prefecture, stop working as a self-employed, and change jobs to a workplace that handles overseas projects. And in other 5 years, I may find myself living overseas. In addition to simply changing the field of my activities, there is something I want to accomplish within it. That is peace building. The reason I became interested in global issues was when I learned in elementary school that there were conflicts occurring somewhere in the world, and that there were people working to resolve them. The reason I am able to live with dreams and hopes like this is because of the peace built by our former people. I also would like to help create a peaceful world so that we can connect it to the next future. And I believe that cultural exchange and art are important means to realizing this peace. They allow us to discover each other's differences and interests, and foster respect for each other. In addition, these become a common language for understanding each other. My ultimate goal is a career in peace building through cultural exchange and art. Local, global, and art are very important keywords for me. I believe that learning these fields little by little through my job and taking steps forward is necessary for me to realize my dream.